What is up? And before you watch today's video, I want to go ahead and give a shout out to each and one of you guys for going ahead and supporting the channel. I thank you guys for following up, subscribing. We have now reached 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. We appreciate you. So we got a big surprise before this video starts. Wanted to let you guys know we got a giveaway going on. I know we said that last time at 1,000, but we're here, we're ready, and now we can do it. So here's how you enter. There's going to be a link in the description. You're going to click it. You're going to go ahead and enter right there. Today at midnight, you'll be able to go ahead and enter. What you could win is a $50 Visa gift card, one of one Creative Garage t-shirt print, and some special Creative Garage stickers. So that'll be all packed up, ready for you, and shipped off to the winner. So you have about 1 week, 7 days to enter for this giveaway. I really appreciate it if you guys would, get all your friends, mom, granddaughter, aunt, uncle, whoever wants to go ahead and enter this giveaway, and we'll go ahead and get that done. So if you want to win, make sure to click that link in the description, comment down below on the video, give us a like, subscribe if you haven't already. We appreciate you very much. Yeah, check it out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, disassemble the engine. Got my boy Ronnie. We're gonna go ahead and disassemble the engine real quick, tear it all the way down, get it ready. So let me recap with you guys in case you guys don't know. This should already be in the last clip, but once again, bad. So we need to tear it down, get it all done, and now the new plan is that we're going forged. So we're gonna definitely build the bulletproof 1.8, get it forged up. So we're gonna go ahead and tear it all down, and we'll bring you along the process as we go. So stay tuned. Alright, quick update. Just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know. That's what the inside of the cylinders look like. Trash. You see it? It's all look like trash. So, reasons why we're tearing the motor down. Obviously, it was not looking too good on the inside. Her heart was very broken, very distressed. She would look like she was stressing hard, but, once again, didn't know unless I sat here and had a real talk with her. Broke her down and see exactly what was going on inside. And obviously, as you can see, it's not looking too good. So what we're gonna go ahead and have to do is we're gonna go ahead and disassemble everything, get it ready to be sent off to the machine shop, and she'll be back. I got all the rest of the stuff on the way, but by the time you see this video, everything will already be here. So yeah, it's sad, man. She wasn't looking too good.
It's alright though, because she'll come back better than ever.
Way better. Just wait for it. So I never took out a piston from the engine and held it in my hand. That's insane. It's trash. You can see it. It's boof. it's all good. Got some new things coming in soon. Cool, so all the pistons are out. The block is almost naked. Only thing we're working on left is the crank, and we're gonna be able to go ahead and get that off very soon. So yeah, now you see it, 1.8 fully naked, no clothes, naked. Cool, so right now we're gonna go ahead and take apart the main bearings for the crank. As you can see, it was trashed. You can see it for sure off of this. Yeah, trashed. It smells burnt too. Not good. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done, and we'll get back to you guys right now. But there's gotta be a better way, better way, better way. Yeah. No, I'm just playing. We're listening to that song in the background. But anyways, hey, the crankshaft is out. The engine's tore down to nothing, except for whatever's inside, which is the bearings, but we'll get those out, don't worry. But anyways, point is, the engine is tore down completely. The crankshaft is right in my boy Ronnie's hands. You see it. So this is gonna be good, ready to go, and we're gonna send it off to La La Land and come back and be, oh my gosh, I'm the man. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, looking good. Thanks, Ronnie. Oh, so we are back. We are currently going to get everything set up. Ronnie's gonna get the van real quick. We're gonna drop off the NB block over to Insane Power. So anyways, we're gonna drop off the block over there to them. They're gonna go ahead and give us an update on what else that we need, such as oil bearing clearance size. We're gonna need all that. And then once they give us the data, I'll be able to go ahead and get that to the house so I can order the right bearings. But everything else is looking good. We're gonna go ahead and take old girl, get her packed up, take the head, get it packed up, and we do have the crankshaft, which is right here, all packed up. So we're gonna go ahead and get all that done, and we'll see you guys when we get to Insane Power. Yeah, what's up? I'm back in it, in the back of the you know, the Ron do that shit mobile. We in here, you see me. So look, we're on our way now to Insane Power. We got Ron G Bigger in the front. So you know what it is. We gotta go take these we got the block, head, and the crankshaft all in the car. Go ahead. Woo! Packed. Ready. Whole team. Ready. And you know, I got my liquids ready for the trip, Let's get it. We'll see you guys at Insane Power. Cool, we are here. We got all the stuff here. Oh my god, it's okay. We're here at Insane Power. We're gonna go ahead and drop everything off inside real quick. Check it out, guys. We have made it to Insane Power. We dropped off the block. We got the head. Ronnie's coming in with the crank. And we do have the bearings right there. We are here, ready to go. As you can see, this is the machine shop to go to. This is Insane Power. They work on LTs, LSs, and specialty. So if you do need your engine machined and you're in the Las Vegas area, make sure to stop by Insane Power, and they will definitely get you right.
Yeah, just leave it here. We'll get it taken care of.
All right, guys, say goodbye to the BP motor. Jim's gonna take care of it here at Insane Motorsports once again. Thanks a lot, Jim.
Thank you.
If you guys ever need to get your engines built, come to Insane Power. They're gonna go ahead and get you right. Thanks, Ronnie. Appreciate you. So I'm really excited. We're gonna wrap up this video, coming soon. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We tore down the MB. Got my boy Ron doing that shit. We're making it happen. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and be ready because it's gonna be one wild ride.